Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, I will be unboxing the Vivo Nex Dual Display device. So let's check this out. Now that we have the specs and the price out the way, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. I managed to pick up the polar blue variant of this device, and it looks like it says here dual display, triple cameras, 10 gigabytes of RAM, and it has a in-display fingerprint scanner. So, taking the lid off the box, here is the device itself. We'll go ahead and place this to the side, because let's see what else is in the box. You get a pull tab, which reveals a nice little drawer, and everything's packaged in nice. Here is your charging brick, and normally I would say that I cannot use it because I'm in the US, but GearBest, they were able to send me an adapter, so I would just pull this down and plug the charging brick into the adapter, and then plug that into an outlet. Yay me! Next up, you have your SIM ejection tool, along with a manual and a quick start guide. Moving right along, we have the charging cable, which is Type-C, and as far as lengthwise, it's your normal length. It is manageable. And then lastly, we have some Vivo earbuds, and this right here means we have a headphone jack. Here's everything that you get in the box. But now let me get my hands on the device. I ordered this device December 28th, 2018, and I pretty much just got it. I'm pretty excited. I ordered it from GearBest, just for your information. So here's the branding, and this is the rear of the device. So you have your flash and the 3 cameras with that cool ring, a speaker, your Type-C, and your dual SIM slots. Here's your Vivo power button. And here is a microphone. Here's the evidence, the headphone jack. And you have another power button as well as your up and down volume keys. So that's pretty nice. Let's go ahead and look at the front real quick. This is the front. I powered on the device. It booted up pretty quick, I would say. Okay, and I forgot, this was in the box. This is the bumper, because it's not like you can put a case on this. So they do include a bumper for you in the box. It was just kind of hidden. So just wanted to point that out for you guys. And it's pretty nice. It's a soft type of rubber, but it's sturdy enough. So the rubber, the touch of the rubber feels nice. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and I will be right back. And here we are, my favorite part that I like to share with you. Let's do this together. Let's add our fingerprint. Let me put in a 4-digit PIN. Then it asks you for security questions. That's different. All right, let's set this up. Of course, I sped this up for you guys, but it was pretty easy. And we're just getting the edge detection, and it's registered just like that. You can also change the animations of the fingerprint scanner, which is pretty cool. So you get 3, it looks like, and I'll pick this one. I think that's pretty cool. Next, let's add our face. So they're giving you some information about registering your face and how to do it. We've done this 100 times, and look, you have to turn the camera over. Remember that. And just like that, I registered my face, and we can continue. So this is some of the permissions. I'm going to skip. And look, congratulations. I can use it now, finally. And here's the rear screen of the device. And it comes with a lot of stuff already pre-installed, so hopefully I can delete that. Let's test out the fingerprint scanner on both thumbs, and it opens pretty quickly. Let's test out the face unlock. So it looks like I have to press the little face first. And that was quick. It's like it's bypassed. Let's all right, not looking. That's pretty quick. So not looking. And I think it's only going to get faster with time. So that's pretty nice. And a fingerprint sensor, just like that. Now let's go ahead and do what I always do. A audio and video test, a quick little, so we can see and hear what it sounds like. And I will stop talking right now. Let me take my very first photo using the Vivo, and I'll snap a picture of my smart mini projector. The shutter was pretty quick. Now let's go ahead and zoom in, and it's giving me all types of tips. And look, you can see the imperfections of that mini projector. Oh, that's another story, don't get me started on that. And let's take a selfie, my very first selfie. And what in the world? It says scan face. So I guess this is for some type of other feature, but for now I'll skip this. I just want to take a regular selfie. And there we go. What do you guys think of that? I think it did an okay job. Not bad at all, not bad at all. Here we have video footage of us driving on a wintry weather day. The stabilization on the camera is doing a great job. I feel there's lots of detail, and as well, the audio is surprisingly good. It picked up the audio very nice, but I just can't let you guys hear it because there's music that I do not own. But this wraps it up with my unboxing and first use of this device. I will be doing some other videos on it because it's so different. But until next time, let's say it together, guys. Peace.